What up, YouTube? I know it's been a minute, but I'm gonna give y'all a video today. It's been probably close to a year. Out here in Atlanta, you know what I'm out here in Atlanta doing. You see behind, headed to the Rick Ross car show. But I'm gonna give y'all just a behind the scenes look. We're gonna go load up the cars and loading the cars and everything right now. So it'll just give you a behind the scenes look and before the car show. So I'm gonna give y'all that footage, some of the cars that's already out there without the music. So I'm trying to get back monetized because I lost my monetization because I ain't been uploading or anything like that. So I am gonna do a little quick 2 or 3 videos for the Rick Ross, and we got another car show Sunday. So yeah, I'll give y'all a few videos for the car show stuff. But until then, until I get loaded up and everything, boy, that bitch, ugh, that is nasty. Yeah, that's nasty. But yeah, we're gonna gotta go get checked in and then loaded up and stuff. And yeah, I'll tell you the story about us getting down here to Atlanta with all the issues. Holla. And you see we done made it out here. We got everything. Oh shoot, I almost dropped the camera. Oh, y'all like my bow tie? No, it's hot, boy. Hey, man. Hey, got it. Hey. We stressed. Hey, we got it. But yeah, we got everything unloaded. Now we gotta go pull up the cars, taking them PC booth. But yeah, we got where my camera thing is. But never mind. We'll see. I'll turn around in a few. Oh, it's flying on there. Some bulls. What up, y'all? So this is the day before footage. A lot of people got their stuff covered up, but you know, we're gonna get some stuff. See what they got out here. I remember that one from last year. I think that one won a trophy last year. It was all the engraving on it. But yeah, they got all the engraving and everything. Wheels, everything. Yeah. Got that big boy lift on there. And dang, then it goes super big. They got a lot of stuff out here already. Got some bikes over there, Rockford Fosgate. Track, a wide body track. Orange King. Oh, look, got the carbon fiber in there. Carbon fiber. Yeah, he ain't playing. Everybody come with these carbon fiber lips. I guess I'll go holler at the Coleon boys. All right, side by side. You back over here now?
Yeah, I was waiting for Austin to get done talking to his customers. I was gonna come find y'all.
Oh, you sure?
Where y'all at?
Right there at PC Customs.
Oh, okay. So y'all right? Oh, y'all
Yeah.
right there. Oh,
Yeah.
Now I see it.
Yeah.
Now I see that, bro.
Oh, you can see it now.
I see it now. I was looking for it. I was like, where the hell is this? Bro?
You didn't see it?
I've been trying to look for familiar faces, bro.
Oh,
I
real?
didn't see him pull in. I was trying to look at over here. I know y'all right there.
Yeah, right there.
Right past that.
Yep.
I was looking behind it and over here. But now I see that bitch.
You see it over there now?
Yeah.
Yeah, he down there. I'm giving me the day before footage.
I got you. Is Bell over there?
Yeah, he over there.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Diamonds forever, ATL. That's a real.
You know who bought Chevy this is?
No. Yeah. Yeah, no, yeah, I ain't getting you on camera. You good. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, that put some time and money in there. Man, god dang. Sweat keep getting in my eyes. Got this tank out here. Still pulling in. I think this what we was last year. Yeah, let's see. Put it back on when I get to some more interesting stuff. Box Chevy, where you at? I found your car. Where you at? Got Chicago police. Box Chevy out here. Somebody else over here working. I see him over here working. Somebody over here working. Said somebody over here working. Yeah. Boy.
I might go take this truck.
You already done been back there?
Nah, what they got back there?
I don't know. This as far as I done made it.
Me too. I ain't been back there. I gotta come tomorrow, so I'm gonna get the same footage. So I ain't gonna get everything. I'm gonna put a little video.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a few things.
Yeah.
And then finish another one tomorrow. Look at this color. Flip, flop, and flop. 442. You know what? I'm finna go. I know where I'm finna go. See if I can get up there and see if I can get it. We're gonna see if we can get up there. We're gonna try to get up there, y'all. I did. So yeah, we done snuck past the gate. Snuck past the gate. And we are up here.
This gonna be my footage for tomorrow. Gotta break it down. I gotta get everything. Damn, I love to be there. What's up, baby? Nice to meet you.
Yes. It's deep up here. Oh, bad.
But yeah, it's
Hey, Gray. Hey. He got the president limo.
Cool.
Man, you see it being there.
Yeah.
When I say he a collector,
Oh, Ross.
yeah, he's a collector.
Yeah.
There it is right there.
What?
Brown sugar right there.
Yeah. Shit. Oh, that body's brown, right?
Oh, this brown sugar.
Yeah, brown sugar.
Yeah.
Who is this?
Brown sugar. Yeah. Dang, sweat keep getting in my eyes. I gotta drop the camera and wipe my face.
Internet shit don't do no justice.
No. Not the way that sucker looking.
Well, that internet don't help, bro.
Yeah.
The internet don't do none of that.
No. Not one bit.
That's why I was telling that internet don't do no justice, bro. That internet don't do shit.
Okay, that's brown sugar. Go over here. Downtown Bobby Brown. Some big boy brakes on that. Big brake. Some of Ross cars. He got a he got the police car, not the police, the president car. I don't know if it's a real one, but that bitch it do look like a tank. Hope y'all can see that. But yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
This might be a real one.